so you can add a little eyelash just to look cuter, you know. I look good like so. See there, good girl. Look good. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see right below in the title bar, I'll be doing 10 different styles that you can do when you have in box braids. Well, box braids slash knotless braids slash twist slash whatever you have in your hair, you can do it with. Alright, so before we jump into this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And yes, so after this I'm going to do a drag makeup, so I'm gonna put the link to it up here. You can go ahead and check out that video. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright people, so the first style is, so this is gonna be like a chit chat. It's been a while since I've done a chit chat video. I don't even know what to talk about, but this is the first style. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this up. You're gonna need your scrunchie. So this is style number 1. Style number 1. Why the scrunchie I look so? So this is number 1. Gonna do quick number 2. So I'm just gonna add this scrunchie. And guys, I have these on my Instagram page, my little business page on Instagram. I have these for $250, which would be equivalent to $2 US. I'm just gonna add this to it, and voila. No, voila. Number 2. Number 3. So this is number 3. Yeah, walk trophy. Number 3. People, Zoe, I feel weird. Zoe still gonna look right in my face. Yeah, right. I look so you see me look so. Alright, so this is number 3. Number 4. Alright, so this is number 5, I think. 5. Number 5. So guys, as I said before, I said 10 looks, but I think I'm gonna do 15, hopefully. So I think I'm 5 now. So I'm thinking about doing 15. Alright, let's anywhere the road take us. We can stop at 10 or go to 15. So I having this here for like almost a month. a month now because I did it from before Valentine's Day. Right, number, and you can just flip this one to this side just like so and repeat the same step over on this side. Number 6. Previously I had it on this side, but number 7 I'm gonna put it on this side. Number 7, you can just flip it back like so and look cute like so, so. Alright, next one we can do a middle part. Can't do find middle on my head. Oh, middle.
See this one?
Right, so we can do a middle part like so, and we're good to go. Oh, what's that? Number 8. Yeah, number 8. Number 8. You can also, just like the high up down, half up, half down, we can also do it right here. Instead of taking the entire thing up, you can also do so. People, have you guys seen the new Coming to America? I enjoyed it. I watched it at home. Well, where else would I watch it? I enjoyed it. Alright, so this is number 8. Alright, so we're gonna flip it here up. So guys, yes, I said I don't know what to talk about, so let's have a chit chat. Like so I'm thinking about doing lives on Instagram and on but it's only gonna be like twice a week, and on YouTube, like, so the plan is to start doing live. I don't know when, I will let you guys know. So if you want me to start doing lives, you can comment in the comment section and let me know. So guys, the back of my head now get up properly. So this is number 10. I'm gonna add this here over. We can do a catch up in the back like so. I'm just gonna use this to tie the hair, guys, because I have it's much easier to use a tie to tie it. So this is number 12. This is number 12. you're on your little vacation and you don't want your hair exposed too much, you can just drop on the hair tie on your hair like so, and bring it over like so. And let it sit on your head like so. You can add a little eyelash just to look cuter, you know. I look good like so. See there? Good girl. Look good. So I have this like headband. I didn't know. So I'm making some headband. So what you can do is you can just like the middle part, you can get your little head tie. This I wanna understand some righteous looks. You know? You can get a little head tie. And you can make a little bow. Guys, I have these on my page also, my Instagram page also. $250. Check my page out. Go on over to Bougie Necessities and check it out. You can order your headbands, bonnets. I should show you one of my bonnets on here, guys. See? So this is number 13. What do you think? And I'm gonna keep this hairstyle for the next video that I'm going to do.
Oh
Man. Guys, so this is the final look. People, I don't know if the part I do good, but I say it again. No, I cannot look better. So all right, guys, so this is the final hairstyle or style you can do while you're having knotless braids, box braids, twists, whatever you're having. Alright, so drop a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like my videos, share my videos, turn on your notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section. Follow me on all my social medias. It will be in this on the screen. Follow my business page on Instagram, Bougie Necessities, and also follow me on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Love.
Woo!